Hey everyone, welcome to another vlog of mine. So I don't know how long this vlog is gonna last just because my battery is kind of low. So if I feel like cutting a bit shorter than normal, then that is the reason why. So the wrestling show last night was actually really good. I do disagree about I disagree about having the title match for the first match of the night. It didn't make any sense. I mean, I'm not saying it was a bad match. I just feel like the title match should be the last match, or the second last match, not the first match of the night. So I don't know. It just doesn't seem like the right thing. Okay, is that a honk or is that? Okay, so if you're able to see that, it looks like a hawk or eagle or something. I'm trying to pay attention to it just because I don't want it to fall on me or try to claw my head, or because they have sharp claws. I mean, it's not paying attention to me right now, and hopefully my orangey red hair doesn't make it want to attack me. So if you see this and I'm dead holding this phone, first call or let my parents know that I died because of a honk, and two, upload this video as soon as you can. So anyways, what the hell? Oh, really hope that was water. Anyways, so yeah, the wrestling was awesome. Looking forward to Fear of the Walking Dead tonight. I'm still annoyed that they got rid of the Fear of the Talking Dead. Me and my mom always loved that show, and it gave us like an idea of like what was to come. It was always fun to hear from the people that are on the show, people that work on the show, like stuff like that. So it was great that way. But now we have to wait until the mid-season finale for Talking Dead, or for the Talking Dead or whatever. So it's annoying, but what can you do? Gotta talk to the bank today because I feel like they overcharged me somehow, even though I can't figure it out. Because I feel, let's just say, out of 5, I was supposed to be charged, let's just say, about 2.5. But really, they charged me closer to 4.5. So it was kind of like a what the hell, because I actually did the calculations out myself, and like I said, I shouldn't have been charged, or I shouldn't owe as much as they said I was, because there's no way I spent that kind of money within a few weeks. And there's no way in hell I would ever do that in a couple weeks, because that's just stupidity, especially at my type of a salary to begin with, and also being charged $375 a month by my parents for rent. So anyways, like I said at the beginning, I'm gonna cut it short just because I don't know how much of the vlog I could actually film. So whenever you watch this, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and see you all tomorrow a little bit later. So right now it's a little after 3, so I would say a little bit after 6 tomorrow. Anyways, bye.